Quick tip for 10th generation F-150 owners. If you want to remove the fender liner for any reason, it's a pretty simple process, but you got to take out a few screws. I'm in the process of reinstalling it, but I'll show you quickly how this works. First, you'll need to remove, if you have the stock mud guards like me, you'll need to take the push pins out in a couple places. There's another one underneath here that holds the fender liner in, and there are also two here toward the front of the liner. There's one more right here, and then there are 4 screws that need to be removed in the liner. But if you have this trim piece, you're going to have to take this bottom screw out to get to that last screw for the liner. You can just pull it out. That's why you have to remove the mud flap as well. And then there are a couple of wiring harness connectors here. You can either push that out or disconnect it from the inside. And there's another push pin that goes right here that holds it in place, and that's it. Then the thing will pop right out and you can access so much more underneath the vehicle around the engine.